Here's a piece of petrified wood. Sometimes I get that. It's been heat treated. It may not hold up. It's usually coarse, but we'll see what we get in here. I'll just start going around the edges. And try really hard to make it work out. It's a bit gritty. Okay. It's a little bit curved. You got to straighten it out some. Got to zigzag the edge. Get that rounded edge off. Hopefully we can keep some size to this. Just be careful. Oh, there's some good stuff underneath there. This brown, yellow brown part is high quality. Let's see. Okay. Let's take off some humps and see what we can do there. Pretty good. Okay, so I beveled that edge a bit so I could run a flake this way. Alright, that was good. I want to get thin enough to make a nice point out of this, but it's kind of coarse. It may not quite hold up some of these stronger blows. Like that. It held up. That was a nice big blow. Took a lot of mass off there. And got straighter. This is petrified wood. Let's see here. We want to get that cortex off of this. So we can see nice shiny inside. Got kind of a nipple here now. Go through some of that mass right there. Pretty good. We've got a spot right here that's got to come out or we'll have a stack fracture. I don't leave stack fractures on anything, I just throw it away. Stack fractures are unacceptable for me. Okay, here we go. Might run it right here because I'm going to attempt to go under that ugly hump there. Prepare the edge just a little more. Alright, I'm either going to break it or it's going to come out. Ha ha ha. We got it. We got it. That was a nice thinning flake from the tip. Okay, I got to keep going here and try to get all that cortex off. I have some thickness on the base area here. I'm going to try to knock that off. Yeah, that was just right. This side has a lot of cortex, so we got to get it off. This side is skinned, so we have to turn the edge a little bit and strike some flakes over that way. Maybe it won't take too many flakes and we'll have that cortex off. Some thickness right here. I want to take a flake off there. Right through there. Got it. Have to get that right there. Okay, now we've got a place we got to reach, or we'll have a stack fracture right in the middle of the piece, and I don't want that. This last big flake that needs to be taken out. Prepare the edge, so I'm pretty sure it'll go. Okay, so I've turned that edge. Let's knock a flake off the end and then work our way to the middle where that place is. Whew, boy, that was a risky blow, but it worked. Went right out there and just thinned all that middle part of the point. Now we got a really, really thin piece of petrified wood that's flaked past the cortex. A little bit of nicer quality chert in here. This red area is lower quality, but it's going to make a nice arrowhead. We're going to pressure flake that up and should be successful unless a piece of it just falls off. Petrified wood. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.